Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today we are doing a traditional Thai cooking class course, and we booked this tour through the same group that we used yesterday for our trip to Chiang Mai, which is Wild Adventures. And when we booked the class, we thought it would just be a couple-hour course, similar to the one that we did in the Gili Islands, but apparently this is going to be a 7-hour adventure. We're getting picked up soon. It's around 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and we're scheduled to get back here tonight around 10:30. So I'm thinking that this class is more of a farm-to-table sort of deal, and I think we're actually going out to the farm, learning how to harvest or learning about farming culture, maybe picking some of our own foods, and then making a multiple course meal. So it should be really exciting. I do like the company that we booked through. Yesterday was very organized and timely. So it should be a really good time, and we're excited to learn about more traditional Thai meals. From what I've picked up so far, the meals are quite spicy and they like their spice here. So yeah, we're really excited. We're not entirely sure all that we're getting into, but it should be a really good day, and we're excited to take you along with us.
Well, we were waiting for our driver, and I texted the lady who sold us our tour just to ask when the driver would be there, since the driver's supposed to pick us up at 3. And she was like, sorry, it's Thai time. So she said it could be 3:30, it could be after 3:30, but it's Thai time. So anyway, we'll see when it gets here, but we're pretty excited.
Okay, update. I do not think that we're going to a farm, but we did come to a local market that's in the suburbs of Chiang Mai, and apparently this is where the locals come to get their ingredients to make their meals and their dishes. But we're not actually getting anything for our meals. We're just here to look around and maybe buy a few things. We learned about the different curry pastes that the Thai people buy. Apparently the curry paste consists of more than 20 ingredients, so it's kind of a lot. So most people just come here, purchase their paste, and then make their curry at home. The typical Thai curry is very, very spicy, and the one that we're going to be making in the class is not so spicy. So enjoy the little montage of a Thai market.
And then you have a nice photo.
Okay guys, so this vlog is kind of chaotic on my behalf because we didn't research fully what our tour schedule was. So we are in fact at a farm, and it's kind of fun this way because everything's just a surprise to me at this point. But we did drive an hour outside of Chiang Mai, and we're at this farm, and we have these hats on. We just picked out our meals, so we both got pad thai as the main dish. I got the Penang curry, oh so did Matt, and for our soup I chose a hot and sour soup, and Matt chose the same thing but added coconut milk, so his is more creamy. And now we're going out into the farm to pick our ingredients,
Which is really cool.
Also, due to my lack of planning, we both wore white sneakers in a muddy farm. So
Already they are in the package, right?
Yeah.
I use this part of the tree, but it's still small here. We cut the leaf off. Adi, okay? Miss Nathan? Is the meal good? Is the meal already?
yeah.
Is it spicy? Is it good?
Just taste and then you throw away, right?
You guys want to smell this?
For making.
Smells very good. Sweet basil.
It's green color. No,
I like it.
Take one eggplant and taste, my friend.
Taste it?
Yeah. You take one and taste and pass it down.
Can you swallow it? Wait, let me get one.
Want some?
Yeah, I'll take one. Thanks.
Maybe eggplant.
Is it good? Probably don't use pesticides here.
I like it.
You taste abush. Yeah.
Is it good?
This one Lily's burning in your mouth. It's a little bit bitter.
Oh.
We put in the spicy dishes, but when you eat spicy, and then you
I like
put
it.
with this eggplant, it's kind of like Lily's burning, but it's a little bit bitter. I would like you to
0 out of
taste it.
10.
You don't need it. Just feel the flavor.
Tastes like earwax.
Don't wear white shoes here.
Flour.
Got these for you, Matt.
Thanks. You want?
I like it.
Tastes good?
Tastes like nothing. I don't know. You try it.
Alright. About to eat a flower.
I like it.
ใช่คือตาปากดีนะ
Yeah, it literally tastes like I'm eating water.
ก็จะได้สวามเตียวนะ
I'm trying anything 7 times. 3, 4,
Everyone
5.
Sorry, I just want to show my claw clip really quick. We're getting ready to make some spring rolls.
blending with water blending pass it down please one per person.
I'm in the UK, no blicky, but the knife on me if shit gets sticky.
Guess I better watch out.
I do not like tofu, so I'm not including it in my pad thai. So our instructor made Matt take it.
Before you cook pad thai.
So we're preparing our pad thai, and we have shallots, tofu, I think these are green onions, carrots, noodles, egg, and then we're making our sauce, which is soy sauce, sugar, and some other type of sauce on it. We are about to roll our own spring rolls, which I've never done before, so I'm excited. We used egg whites to make it stick together.
You free.
Pad thai coming up. I'm very hungry. What time is it? I think we left the hotel at 3. It's almost 7. I feel like this is my little baby. I'm such a proud mom. Look what I made.
Time to deep fry our spring rolls.
I like it.
Is it good?
That is so good. I'm a phenomenal chef. I do love the lime. The lime adds like such a citrusy taste and it balances out the spice.
I put a lot of chili sauce in mine, or chili powder. Spicy.
You're feeling way too brave.
I like it.
Way too brave. Of course, you have to have the sweet and sour.
I like it.
It's really good.
It is so thick. And it is so good.
Coriander 3. Coffee lime skin. Okay, Heather. Go ahead. Yeah, everything.
Tea time.
Seriously though, that's kind of nasty. Spicy.
I don't understand why we have to have these knives. I feel like they're very excessive. We are specifically making penne curry, and some other people are making a green curry. But right now, we're chopping up our carrots, our basil, we have our chicken.
Long bean.
Oh, those are the baby eggplants we tried earlier. And so far we've added coconut milk, coconut sugar, and this sauce.
Black soy sauce.
Just whipped up some penne curry. Appetizer after the main meal, but should we go?
We're making some sort of aromatic soup. We just broke some ginger, put it in water, lemongrass in water, and now a lime leaf to like make the water more fragrant, I guess. So this is some hot creamy soup. Patricia got hot and sour, and this looks like it's about to be hella spicy because I just put a lot of chili peppers in there. So pray for me.
This is a lot of food. What do you think?
I mean, kind of. Not that much food. It's like one pad thai, a soup, and a little bit of curry.
I'm so full, and we still have to eat the curry and the soup, but I'm excited.
So we got some rice, we got some curry with chicken, then we got some red hot spicy soup with shrimp and mushrooms.
And like 50 other ingredients.
A bunch of other ingredients.
This is so much food. You definitely get every penny worth, even though this was a really cheap tour. But I'm just so stuffed. I've never like this is so much food, but it is delicious. I only used half of the little chili pepper, so I have the perfect amount of spice. And let me try the soup first.
I like it.
Oh, never mind. That's really spicy.
Oh no, I used the full one. Spicy?
But it feels good, you know?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, that's spicy. The outside of my face is burning.
Wasn't a good idea to use the whole pepper.
I might have to go wash my face off. So, we just got back after a long and arduous journey throughout the mountains. Not really. But that was a fun experience. A tad long. I feel like it could have been like 4 hours instead of 7 hours. But it was a great experience. Making our own Thai food farm to table, pretty cool. However, that soup was so spicy, I almost died. My whole face was burning on fire. My eyes were streaming, my nose.
Oh my.
Gosh.
Yeah, so the way it was structured is that we got all of our ingredients and then we started out with our main course. So we made the pad thai first, and then we had some spring rolls, which were huge.
And fire, they were so good.
Yeah, all the food was delicious. So I was pretty full after the main course, and then they were like, okay, time to start grinding up the curry, or start grinding up the peppers for the curry paste. And then we made the curry, And then we made soup. So we had curry with rice and soup, and it was just really, really hard to finish. I mean, I didn't finish and I felt bad about that. But the soup was really spicy, and that's our own fault. They warned us and Matt just went for it and put the whole chili pepper in there. I only did half and that was enough, I'll tell you.
Oh my gosh, it was so spicy. Don't do it. I mean, I just wanted to try it because, like, you know, when are we ever going to be doing that again? But gosh, it was so spicy.
Maybe if you're a little bit tougher than us, you should go for it.
Well, I don't know, because I'm pretty tough about spicy stuff usually. Like, it doesn't, like, it'll be spicy, but it doesn't, like, affect me. But I was, like, crying. Like, I don't know, that was
yeah, I think I got
bad.
one. I think I got one clip of him, his reaction. So, all in all, it was a really good experience. It did last 7 hours, but that included our drive, which was only about 45 minutes. And we booked the tour through a company called Wild Adventure. I'm sure there's a plethora of companies who do Thai cooking classes. So if you come here, you can pick any of them. But we had a really good time. Our guide was so charismatic and just made the whole trip really funny.
So anyway, thanks for watching. And as always, if you made it this far, please subscribe.
And you're cool for watching.
And you are cool for watching.
But I hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's a really exciting day, so we'll share that with you tomorrow.
Where are them?
In the toilet.
Oh, okay.
I like it.
Just reapplied some bug spray. Didn't wash my hands because there's no hand washing.
There is a hand washing.
Embellishing for the vlog. Anyway, I like some deep with my pad thai. Looks like a soup I made when I was a kid out in the yard with like leaves and dirt and grass.
Like a witch potion.
Like a witch potion. Oh, it's like I just made COVID.
What is this?
It was a lot of food, and then they ended with the spicy
Yeah,
soup.
I wanted to say that part. I was
Okay.
on to something.
Okay.